If you want other people to take a look at your calendar, you can export it or share it. Now the difference between exporting and sharing is that sharing allows you to automatically publish the changes that you make within the calendar here, and you can put it on the network or internet, where exporting is just a one-time dump. So if you dump it once, somebody has it. If you make any additional changes, they're not going to see that reflected in that export. Now to share it, you want to make sure that you don't have any appointments selected, because we're going to be looking at the details for the actual calendar that we want to publish. So select the calendar, click on it once, it updates the details, so it's just focused on the calendar itself. My To Do or trainings calendar. We'll do My To Do. Come over here in the details pane, click on Click Here to Publish link. Give the calendar a name. You can leave it the default My To Do calendar. Location of the calendar to publish. This is where you can select your network or put it on the internet, or at least in a folder that your webmaster can upload to the internet. Click on Browse. I want it on the desktop. Click OK. And then I want to check automatically publish changes made to this calendar. So that way any changes I make, whoever has it, they'll get the updates as well. I don't want to add notes, reminders, or tasks because maybe some of the notes are personable and I don't want everybody seeing those notes. When I'm finished, click Publish. And then I can either click Finish or I can click on the Announce button. And then go ahead and address all my clients or contacts. Click on the two buttons, send it to the group of friends or people saying, hey look, subscribe to my calendar. Here's where it's located at. I'm going to go ahead and close. Click Finish, and then minimize, go to my desktop, and there it is. Now, not only is it on my desktop, but when I go back to my Windows calendar, look at the calendar, how it has a little green arrow. That's indicative that it's actually constantly going to be publishing those updates to that file that's on my desktop. If I want to stop publishing it, I can right-click and go down to Stop Publishing. When I do that, it does two things. Well, first I need to click Unpublish. Not only does it remove the green arrow, but when I minimize and look at my desktop, it's no longer there. So it's no longer available on the network, your desktop, wherever you put it. Maximize my Windows calendar. Now if I just want to do a one-time dump, I can do File to Export. Opens up the window here, and I want it to my desktop. Looks good. It's got the same extension, ICS. All I have to do is leave it the same file name and click Save, Minimize. And then if I want to take a look at it, I can double click and open it up. But it opens up my Microsoft Outlook. That's the Microsoft Office program that I was telling you about that has more features than just the Windows calendar, the Windows email. Well, here it is. I've got a couple of different calendars I'm looking at. My main calendar, another user that exported their calendar from Windows Calendar, and then the one that we just did a second ago, the My To Do calendar as well. And then I can right click and say I don't want to see that, and delete it and say yes, right click that one. I don't want to see it, delete it as well. So I just have my calendar that I'm focusing on in Outlook. In any case, you may want to watch the training videos in Outlook to see if that's something you want to purchase, to see how powerful it is, if that will do your company or your personal business or interest any good. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.